noisy. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Right now it's snowing. I was gonna wait until tomorrow morning to start vlogging for Vlogmas, but it's been a huge snowstorm in Michigan and the lights are up outside my house, which is really pretty, and there's snow everywhere, and I was gonna show you guys, and my dogs wanted to come outside and play in the snow. This is Holly. Holly, say hi Holly. She's such a sweetheart. And then this is obviously Louie. He's crazy. Per usual, he loves the snow. This is his first time in the snow. Speary! Who got a bow? Let me see it. Spoodle. Want to play in the snow? Oh, you're so cute. Who went to the groomer? Holly. Oh my gosh. Look at how sparkly the snow is. Wow, this is so pretty. I was like hoping I would get to see snow before Christmas. Who's tired and won't get out of bed? Who's so tired and won't get out of bed? You. Oh my gosh, look at them. Oh, Holly. Holly, it's Fairy. They're so cute. Oh, babies. So sleepy, what the hell? Got up so Good morning everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I just got home for the holiday break and I'm going to give you a little tour of some of our Christmas decorations around our house, and then as you can see I just woke up my sister and the two dogs laying in bed, which was so cute. It snowed a ton last night, so I'm going to insert some of those clips below. And then also I just wanted to show you guys some of the really cute decorations around the house. And I'm going to work out soon, and my boyfriend actually woke me up with a smoothie this morning, which was really nice of him. So I'll be doing that. Excited to hit the gym at his house and then maybe do some Christmas shopping. Hey guys, this is Paul. He's coming to pick me up to drive me to his house to work out, and he's wearing shorts in the middle of a snowstorm. But hey, at least they're festive. Snowstorm. Last night was a snowstorm. It's just snowing now.
Blizzard, as you guys can see.
Yeah.
You can barely see.
He's wearing shorts, but you know, at least they're festive in red. And he brought me a Beyond Juice smoothie this morning while I was still sleeping.
Yeah.
Thanks, babe. Wait, I need to unlock the car. And it's covered in snow, so I have to fix the
We should just take that.
Okay, we'll just take the other car. All right, never mind. We're gonna take the regular that Paul drove home this morning because both of our cars are in LA. Okay, you can drive. This was the car I drove in high school, college, and then my brother drove it in college. So fun. I just finished my workout. I just did elliptical for 20 minutes today just because I wanted to be a little easier on my body since I haven't been feeling well. And this is kind of the spot I come sit when I stretch after or do like an ab workout after or just anything else. But now I'm gonna go back to my house probably and shower and then send some emails for the rest of the day.